Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with a new song, Nayan, by Dhvani Bhanushali. Okay, so I hope you have listened. I hope you heard it already, and I hope you saw what am I doing, right? So basically the chord is in the you can play it in the open G also, but like we have some blockings over there, which if you put the capo on the 7th fret, then only you will know you'll get the correct note. So firstly we'll play capo, or put the capo on 7th fret and play C. So whenever you put capo on 7th fret and play C, that would be a G major chord. Okay, so if I am first fret, it is C, as you all know. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. Okay, so that's how your G will become. Okay, fine. So G, so with the capo the chords will be C, 3 on the 5th string ring finger, 2 on the 4th string middle finger, 1 on the 2nd string index finger. Okay, so it should be fine. So that is C. Next chord would be our G. You can play G this way, or we just need open B string this time, open 2nd string. So we'll just put our ring and middle finger only. So ring on 6th string 3rd fret, middle on 2nd fret 5th string. Okay, fine. So coming back to the blocking over there, before the song starts, the guy hums over there. Something humming is there. So in that humming we're gonna play C, G, A minor, F. So yeah, that's how it should go. So now what am I blocking? For the C, we have the C lower note which is on the 5th string, and we're going to use the index on 3rd, 2nd on middle, 2nd string, which is playing with the middle finger, and ring finger on the 1st string. Okay, so that has to go together. So we're going to go 5, 4. Okay, so guys, the pattern will go 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So it should go, and I'm just removing the pressure on the string. So I'll just mute all the string after I pluck the first string. Okay, and try to get rid of that noise. Okay, I'm just keeping it like this. So firstly I'm pressing 5, 4, 3, 2, close. Okay, you can just make it like that and get rid of that noise. Okay, so that is 5, 4, 3 and 2 and 1 will pluck with the ring and middle like that. So 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So little faster. Okay, if you just leave your ring finger in the chord over there, it will sound like this. So if you do this, the noise will get rid of it. Yeah, fine. So that's your C, and we're gonna go next chord. As I told you, it's G. So I'll just play these 2 fingers on the top, and I'm gonna start from 6, 5, 4, 2 and 1. Same way, it's just going 1 string above. So 6, 5, 4, 2 and 1. Again you remove from the beginning C and A minor. So A minor. So here, so what we're gonna do is A minor, we're gonna block 5, 4, 3 and 2 together, and hammer your pinky on the 3rd fret, A minor. Okay, 5, 4, Yeah, then F also somewhat similar. So F, you don't need all the finger, you need pinky over there. So we'll just put middle on the third string, second fret, and index bar. F is, which is bar over there, F index finger. So we're gonna plug 6, 5, sorry, 5. We need our ring finger because we are plucking 5 also. So 6, 5, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and hammer your pinky. So A minor is F and F is similar. Okay, so then F, we need ring finger also. So A minor is 5, 4, 3 and 2 together this time, and hammer your pinky. Okay. Then F also same way. You're going to take a ring finger and middle finger and index bar. Hammer your pinky on the second string always with the F, with the A minor. F and back to the A minor. Then again 6, 5, 2 and 3 together, and hammer the second string. So from the beginning, intro. And sorry, F. So from the beginning we go C and. So you just understand how to mute with the right hand only, I mean left hand only over here on the strings. Okay, 6, 5, 2, 2, and. Or you can rest it here also. Yeah, you can do the stop over there and stop that music, stop that ringing over there. Yeah. Or you can just make, if you don't want to hammer your pinky finger, you just do A minor and F. Okay, I think that would be easy enough. So then when we start the song, okay, so there we just need to end it on A minor. Okay, so C, G, dil mera, meri na sune ye dil mera. Okay, something like that. So let me listen with. So yeah, guys. So meri na sune ye dil mera. Okay, so when you start singing, the last note, which is F, is not there. So meri na sune ye dil mera. You can make F if you want, or else it's like da 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 da. Fine. So yes, the next part now is so guys, if you want, let us make it 2 times. Da 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 da, rest. Da 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 da, rest. Okay, 2 times we'll just do it till A minor, and another 2 times we'll just play it till F. Da 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 da, 1, da. Okay, so then we can make it easier. Meri सांसों में तू, मेरी na 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 na. So then what we can do is मेरी सांसों में तू, मेरी रानी राना राना. Yeah, so it is C, E minor, A minor, F. You can make it like that. मेरी सांसों में तू, coming back to the strumming pattern is easy. One up and down, up and down, down, up and down, up and down, down, up and down, up and down, down, up and down, up and down. Right? So that is the strumming pattern. Down, up and down, up and down, down, up and down, up and down, down, up and down, up and down, down, up and down, up and down. Continue. सांसों में तो तेरी Thank you very much. Now the next part. So guys, let me play with the song, okay? From the key man. Okay, fine. So, okay, so the chorus over here, guys, goes C. E minor is very easy. A minor and G and F and G again. Fine. So the second time when you do the chorus, we're gonna go C, E minor, F. But whereas in the beginning we had second time. Thank you very much. I hope you guys have learned it. Please do like, comment, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed my channel yet. And leave a comment below whatever your song is next. It can be in any language. I will listen your song and try to make easy tutorial for you guys. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much, guys.